Ever wondered what makes the perfect barbecue? Is it the sizzle of the grill, the tantalizing aroma, or the first bite of a perfectly cooked piece of meat? The answer may vary, but one thing is for sure. A great barbecue starts with a great recipe. Today, we're diving into a mouth-watering combo that's sure to make your next BBQ a hit. Gigantic savory barbecued beef spare ribs and chicken. Step 1. The marinade. This step is all about flavor. For the beef ribs, combine a cup of brown sugar, a cup of apple cider vinegar, a tablespoon of smoked paprika, and a couple of minced garlic cloves. For the chicken, mix together a cup of soy sauce, a half cup of honey, the juice of 1 lemon, and a couple of minced garlic cloves. Let the meat marinate in these concoctions for at least 4 hours, but overnight is best. Step 2. The grill. Preheat your barbecue to medium heat. That's about 350 degrees Fahrenheit for those who like specifics. Once it's heated, place the ribs and chicken on the grill, but keep them on separate sides to avoid flavor crossover. Step 3. The cook. This is where patience comes in. The ribs will take about 3 to 4 hours to cook, while the chicken will take around an hour and a half. Make sure to turn them every 20 minutes or so to ensure an even cook. Step 4. The sauce. In the last half hour of cooking, slather your ribs and chicken in your favorite barbecue sauce. This will give them that sticky, sweet finish that we all love. Step 5. The rest. Once the ribs and chicken are cooked to perfection, remove them from the grill and let them rest for about 10 minutes. This allows the juices to redistribute, making your meat even more flavorful. Step 6. The serve. After 10 minutes, it's time to dive in.